you book with these people, they're responsible.
That's what
If you do like online with somebody else, then you might have problems because they're responsible to get you back on the ship. Hey, your ship leaves, fly me over to next port.
No, I would always not let her into the wall. They were like, you shouldn't do that. And I'm like, what's going to happen? I remember talking how I was like,